I've got a siding contractor measuring windows and siding. As we're looking at this, there's a lot of rotting wood behind the siding that we decided that we need to bring this house up to a modern look. As you can see, our siding here, I mean, it's just not worth keeping. It's molded, it's coming off. This is probably the worst section of the house. Let me get down here and we can take a view. If we can view that, that is the rim joist for the room addition. What we're looking at here is a combination of termite and water damage. This room addition was built on a crawl space, block crawl space,